Welcome guys to another Python tutorial, and as expected today we're gonna put some logic into our coding or into our script. So yeah, it is the if statement. So how it works, it works like this. If you have something equal to something, or maybe greater or less than something, then the function does something or does not do something. So you choose between doing or not doing anything. So let's start. We talked about variables, so the if statement will be much easier now. So let's assign some variables. So e equals 5, and then r equals 3. So what we do if e is equal. So you see here the double equality or the double equal signs, that means the equality, but this one, that means receiving something. So this variable will receive 3. It is not equal to 3, and somehow it is equal to 3, but that does not mean a is equal to 3, but a is 3. So and somehow it's just converting or changing positions or something. So e is equal to r, and then we can't let it just like that. We have to do some colon. So we hit enter. You see the tabbing in here, that means it's inside the the if statement, sorry. Okay, so then print 5 5 is equal to 3. Okay, so that's what we have done. We can do another if, but not inside this tab, and so we must get back into the line. You can press delete, or you can just click in the mouse in here. So another if, this please take note that this if is not this if. There are different in this script. Okay, so if e is greater than r, okay, wait for me please. So sorry for that guys, my sister causing some problem. So we hit the colon and we hit enter. Gives me some tabbing to do. So this one is inside the other if statement. So print e is greater, oh yeah, not e, 5 is greater than 3. And now let's try to run our program. So 5 is greater than 3. So this one works and this one does not work. Why? Because the logic in this one is false, but the logic in this one is true. So let's start something else. We have done some input in here, so let's try input. Okay, please enter a number to be compared. Okay, now let's wait. the R, let's not change it. So let's use it since this one is it's different. So let's start. Let's do the number you submitted is equal to 3, or let's copy and paste this one. The number here submitted is greater than 3. You see, we haven't done any less than 3, but let's do it. Let's copy this one, let's hit enter, let's get out of the if statement, and then let's do less than. Okay, and then we hit enter. Now let's just copy this one and paste it. The number you submitted is less than 3. So this logic is fine, but this statement or this variable is wrong. If you notice, in the previous tutorials we said that this one is, or the input function inputs the keystrokes in a string format, so we need to change it. We do e equals integer e, so this one we ensure that it is a number. So let's enter something. Please enter a number. Let's do some 9. Okay, the number you submitted is greater than 3, so this one works fine. Let's do it again. So let's try 3. Okay, 7 is equal to 3, so this one is working fine. So let's try another one. 1. Okay, the number you submitted is less than 3, so the logic in this script is perfect, especially when we did this integer converting. So a lot of you may get this trouble, but if you please just convert something or the input, if you want it to a number. So some of you may want, what if we type it a letter? So if you type a letter, that's what you have. So let's type a letter S equal, boom, invalid literal for integer with base 10. So this one, it's telling me that this one is not an integer, so please change. So that's it for our if statement in Python tutorial. Please do notice that this is not just the if that we wanted. We can do some if and else, and if and if and else. So wait for this tutorial, for those tutorials to get uploaded by me. So the last thing that I need to mention is please submit or subscribe. That would mean a lot for me. So thank you, and like, submit. Sorry for that. Submit. I still suck. I'm still stuck in this script. So yeah, I suck at commenting. My God. So please subscribe and like, and see you in the